This what happens when language switch from sister. This what happens when babies raised by TV scripts. This what happens when you program to hate yourself. This look like the fight scene in Django, but now we don't need Master's belt. How much you gotta see to know we mentally ill? Trauma in our very bones, there's no excusing this still. We don't know our power in every sense. The power of our minds, our souls, and clearly now our fists. Picture this, you think you can hit this one or this one, and I sit back, wait a minute. Pull out my phone and record while her neck gets cracked, wait a minute. Then have a so-called man present on scene talking about why don't you fight back? Put the phone down and help out your team. How can we be queens with those type of kings? But anyway, and stop calling them her friends, cause it's giving enemy. It took a trip to Cabo to release this envious energy. Now the whole world is mourning. Prayers to her family. Say her name, Shanquella. And to all our girls, this ain't cute, it's not a thriller. Get some therapy if you hurt, don't let it simmer. Cause attacking your own people is a sure way to pull God's trigger, Shanquella.